Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you see a warning on your dashboard like this, maintenance, oil and repair, there is nothing to worry about it, okay? But because like what it says that based on the last counter set as per your manual, now it's time to go for oil and filter change. But most of us do it before. Like I had done it before, but looks like my my dealer whom I went to, he did not do it. I mean, he did not set the counter. That's why it is like this. Okay, you can always reset the counters. Okay, and that's very important thing to do. Okay, and in case the dealer misses to do it, you can do it yourself. So if you go to settings, you will see these things, and then you need to move down. I'll go for maintenance. See oil and filter. So I can just reset. Okay. But yes, this was supposed to be done by the service provider with whom I had oil change just a week back, but I don't know why he missed this. But no need to worry about. See, even for tire also I have, wow, 500 kilometers more I have for tire rotation. Fine. What other I have? Oh, I can set other two. Nothing. Fine. Yeah, so that's it guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.